Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 8a with a cracked display, and this one is smashed, and we'll make it better. So let's go fix it. So right here, the owner has put a tempered glass over the cracked display, which is good to make it less dangerous when you touch it. And we're gonna pull out the replacement display just to show you we have brand new parts here. That's why when you want quality repairs, you go to Sydney CBD Repair Center, and David will hook you up with quality parts like this one. Never been used, straight out of the box. So we're gonna prep it. This replacement display doesn't have all the covers and the connectors, so we'll transplant everything from the old one to this one. And this is the Google Pixel 8a. The good thing about Google Pixel smartphones is when you try to replace the display, you go right into the display. You remove the display first, and although this one is gonna be a challenge, you have to be very careful because the frame is made up of aluminum and they are kind of soft, susceptible to scratches. So we'll slice it bit by bit on all sides, slice through the adhesive like this. And it took a while for us to take off the display, but David has finally managed to achieve that. Google Pixel 8a is the budget version of the Google Pixel 8, which is kind of weird because it performs like the 8 but costs less money. So if you're investing on a smartphone like this one, it's kind of expensive. Not too expensive, but if you broke the screen, it's still brand new. It's still worth to save this Google Pixel 8a in this decent condition. The battery is still good. We can just replace the display, have it reused for more years, and save it from being thrown into the dump site. You save money, you save the environment, and of course you learn to value things that are repaired or fixed. And this is your own Google Pixel 8a or whatever smartphone you have. So like what I mentioned a while ago, we are going to remove the fingerprint scanner from the old display because this is where the fingerprints are encoded. I'm going to slowly do this though because it's very thin. Although this is easy when David does it, it's very, very fragile. And when we flip that over, that's the fingerprint scanner, guys. Pretty small. Next, we're gonna remove some rubber grommets for the front-facing camera. I'm gonna clean the sensor for the fingerprint scanner. We're gonna position it right here and connect the flex cable to the connector and press it in. There you go. Then another one, we're going to remove the cover, the foil cover for the electronics that you see at the bottom section of the replacement display. Get this one to insulate the electronics. So we don't have this on the new display, so we'll try to reuse it. So everything on this Google Pixel 8a, once the repair is done, they're still original parts. So do I recommend that you DIY this fix? I think you can if you have experience fixing iPhones or Samsung devices, quite a lot of them. But if you are a newbie or you don't know what you're doing, what you're looking at, maybe you can head on head out to your local repair service technician or go to Sydney CBD Repair Center so you can have your problem diagnosed and get the right parts and tools to do the job. That's why if you have experience in fixing other smartphones, then maybe you can get this done. But if you have not done that, then just let the pros do it for you. I'm gonna clean off the sides, put the rubber grommets on the, I think this is another sensor, front-facing sensor. And we are gonna install the new display and test it. So here in the shop, David is the one who fixes stuff. So if you have an iPhone or an Asus ROG phone that no other shops will fix, if you have a cheap Samsung Galaxy smartphone and you're embarrassed to ask any shop to have it fixed, and you want your data retrieved by fixing your display, you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. If you're away from Sydney, you can also mail in your broken smartphone. We'll fix it up for you. Just message David so he can arrange the shipment, of course the schedule of the repair. And just like this one, we hope that you will also have a successful repair on your broken smartphone. And look at this, it's all working. I'm gonna test the fingerprint scanner. If it works, then we're done with this. We're gonna close up the device, give it back to our client, and move on to the next smartphone. So follow us on Instagram, Facebook, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We release new videos every day. And we'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.